Hey guys, welcome back for another video. I have my TCL 55-inch TV here. The model details are available in the description. You've seen my previous video where I've talked about an issue that I'm facing on this TV where the right half of the screen keeps flickering, as you can see in the video at this point as well, where the right half keeps kind of blinking or flickering. You can look at the issue details in my previous video, but in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this issue without purchasing any new hardware. We are just going to bypass a couple of pins in the ribbon connector at the back side within the TV, and that will help fix this issue. So first up, I'm going to unmount the TV, and before that I'm going to disconnect all the external connections, HDMI, aux and all those things before I take it off, and then I'm going to lay it upside down on a soft surface like a bed while we fix this issue. So let's get started. Alright, so as you can see, I have unmounted the TV and laid it upside down on the bed. Now I'm going to open up each of the screws at the back of the TV to open up the back compartment. Alright, here we go. I've removed all the screws, including the screws from the mount to be able to open up the back compartment. These are the two ribbons that you see here, one for each side, and we are going to identify the one associated with the flicker on the right side of the TV, and we are going to tape pins 12 and 13 off the ribbon to fix the issue. Now if we look at the circuit board and the ribbons up close, you're going to see two ribbons, one for each half of the TV. So my problem is in this half, and this is the ribbon supplying to this side of the TV. So we are going to look at this one, and if I take it up close, you're going to see numbering on these edges, the number 1 over here and number 80 over here. So that's how you would count the pins, starting from 1, 2, 3 and so on, and we need to identify ribbon pins 12 and 13, and we are going to tape them. So first thing you want to do is open up this black flap, which will release the ribbon, and then you can see here, if I take it close to the back of the ribbon, there's not enough light here, but you're going to see each pin individually, and we're going to start counting from this side up to pin 12 and 13, and we're going to tape those with scotch tape, trying to get you a good focused view where you can see the ribbons individually. There we go. Now you can see the pins individually. We are going to count to 12 and 13, and we're going to tape them up with scotch tape. So what I've done here, as you can see, is counted the pins, and the felt tip pen, I have marked the two pins 12 and 13 that I need to tape, so that I don't accidentally tape the wrong pins. It might take a few attempts to get the tape thickness right, but once you've done that, you can slide the ribbon back in and close the back flap. Now let's test it out. Alright guys, so it's time for the moment of truth. I've put the TV back together and mounted it back on the wall after taping ribbon pins 12 and 13, and as you can see, there is no flicker whatsoever on the TV anymore. Let me show you up close as well, the right side of the TV, and it looks perfect. I in fact had some pixelation on here where it showed up a line, which is also gone now. It was barely visible, but it's no longer there, and you can see both sides of the TV appearing perfect, no flicker whatsoever. So taping ribbon pins 12 and 13 gets rid of the circuitry that was triggering the flicker, although changing the panel could have fixed it, but it would have been an expensive fix. But this is the best fix without any cost that you can find to fix the flicker issue on your TCL TV. So I hope you found the video helpful. Make sure you only do this if you are confident, else you may get some help from a technician to do this for you. Do subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.